Well, now we turn the page to our daily COVID numbers here in Ohio. And for the second straight day, our new cases top 20,000, but still remain below our 21-day rolling average. Today's number, 21,664. Hospitalizations are down again, and this marks the 10th straight day they are in decline. We hit our pandemic peak in terms of patients in Ohio hospitals exactly 10 days ago. We had over 6,700 COVID-19 patients. That number today, all the way down to 5,730. Now, the big question with COVID right now is, where are we in terms of the Omicron surge? Sara Shookman spoke to doctors about this very topic today. Sara, what'd you find out?
Well, Jay, the Ohio Department of Health Director, Dr. Bruce Vanderhoff, said that's the question that they keep getting. And he said what we're seeing here, at least in Northeast Ohio, is very promising. But other parts of the state are still seeing rising Omicron cases, particularly in Western Ohio and Southwest Ohio near Dayton and Cincinnati. And that explains why we are still seeing the state's daily numbers continue at near record levels, which continues to strain hospitals all over. We know Cleveland Clinic, as you see here, is now getting federal help. The 20 medical professionals from the U.S. Air Force arrived yesterday and are in orientation now. They're expected to be put to work later this week. Northeast Ohio Zone 1 reports an impressive 24% drop in hospitalizations just over the last week. But the raw numbers remain higher than they were during last winter's surge.
We have to remember that that number is still very high, and the highest it has been in the pandemic. So even at the Cleveland Clinic, 10 to 12 days ago, we peaked at about 1,200 patients within our hospital system. Thankfully today, again, it's down to about 700.
And like at Cleveland Clinic, today we learned Summa Health's Akron Hospital will be getting federal help. Summa and the Ohio Department of Health confirmed FEMA has approved the deployment of a medical response team there. Now, locally, they say they're still waiting for the details on the makeup of that team and when they will arrive here in Northeast Ohio. They told me they'll get back in touch when they can share more. Jay?
All right. Obviously, Northeast Ohio was hit with the Omicron surge before the rest of the state. So now, while we're in decline, they're starting to see their surges elsewhere. Sara Shookman, great information. Thanks.
Sure.